ChatGPT can skyrocket your returns or quietly cost you thousands. But don't worry, I've helped millions improve their finances, and I'll show you how to boost your returns using AI, plus a 3-step safety checklist that keeps you from losing money. Be honest, have you ever thought, why should anybody pay a financial advisor when AI can give the answers instantly? No appointments, no waiting, just download an app, ask the question, and you get instant advice. But here's the problem. AI doesn't actually understand the stock market. It sees patterns in numbers and words, then makes a guess that sounds confident. But confidence doesn't equal correctness. Think of it this way. If a budgeting app mistakenly puts your grocery bill under entertainment, no big deal. But if AI misdirects your $5,000 investment, you could be stuck in the wrong asset class and miss out on the upside. And here's something most people don't know. When AI doesn't have enough data, it doesn't stay quiet. It often fills in the blanks with answers that sound right, but aren't. Experts call these hallucinations. Imagine asking about a new fund's risks, and AI invents risks that don't even exist. You'd be making decisions based on fiction. So here's the takeaway. AI cannot become your financial advisor. It's a helper. It can organize info, speed up research, and show you patterns, but don't trust it to always consider your goals, family needs, or risk tolerance. That's still on you. And here's where it gets really interesting. Let's say you ask AI for the best stock pick. A few seconds later, it gives you a confident answer. Feels like a shortcut to success, right? But here's the truth. AI is only as good as the data it's fed. Clean, current data, useful results. Outdated or biased data, risky results. And AI won't warn you when the foundation is weak. It'll just hand you a polished answer. That's why you need a quick 3-step checklist. Always ask AI to show its sources. Check at least one original document or regulator filing. Confirm one key number directly. Think of it like a calculator. Punch in the wrong numbers, you get the wrong total. AI works the same way. Garbage in, garbage out. Let's say you ask AI to compare two mutual funds. It says Fund A outperformed Fund B by 10% over 5 years. Sounds impressive. But what if it ignores the much higher fees? Suddenly, that better fund leaves you worse off. The danger is simple. AI answers look clean, professional, and trustworthy. But a polished wrong answer is still wrong. What comes next changes the whole game. Okay, if AI isn't your advisor, how should you use it? Here's the smart move. Treat AI like your research assistant. Picture this. You have 15 tabs open, articles that contradict each other, and a spreadsheet collecting dust. After an hour, your brain is fried, and that's when bad decisions happen. Instead, let AI do the grunt work. Paste an article into it and ask for a 5-sentence summary. Upload a spreadsheet and ask it to highlight key spending trends, or drop in 2 ETFs and ask it to compare fees, turnover, and holdings. AI shines at boring, repetitive tasks, summarizing, categorizing, and comparing. That frees up your brain for judgment, the part only you can and should do. But how do you sharpen your judgment to take your AI investing to the next level? Watch this video to learn 80% of investing in under 8 minutes and skyrocket your returns.